Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you castor oil and vitamin E for hair growth. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. Vitamin E is the lipid soluble antioxidant that helps repair damaged hair. Vitamin E supplementation was found to aid hair growth. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon warm castor oil, 1 tablespoon warm olive oil and 2 vitamin E capsule. Method: blend the two oils in a bowl and empty the contents of 2 vitamin E capsule into it. Massage your scalp gently with the mixture using your fingertips. Use circular motion for the maximum effect. Wash your hair after half an hour with warm water. Repeat this process twice or thrice a week. Note: you can also go for a coconut milk massage as it is highly rich in vitamin E. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.